My seat bones, you know, it's an interesting concept that actually Susanna Van Dietz has helped me, you know, kind of recreate this sense of what is my seat doing in my riding. And so I want you to think actually a little bit about your outside seat bone being able to be the support and the stable seat bone, because that's going to allow the inside hip to keep moving and the inside seat bone to keep talking to that inside hind leg to keep stepping forward. So then I also want to feel that the horse is chewing and softly round through his jowl with my inside ring finger, but that I can keep him really round through his withers with my outside rein. Sometimes I can lower that, I can lift my inside rein. There's a lot of different things we can do to help, you know, help him stay soft in that. My outside leg belongs behind the girth, and that's not just with my thigh forward and my calf back. You know, I always tell my students, I don't want to see the bottom of your boot. So this feeling of taking the whole thigh back, rotating that thigh inward to be able to pull your heel away from the horse. But a lot of times I feel like I have a diagonal stretch through my body, that my inside shoulder comes back because I want the horse to turn in that direction, but I want to feel that I really like stretch through this side of the X of my body. And the more weight I can put down into my outside heel brings seatedness and weightedness to his outside hop, which is of course the leg that for one moment of this right lead canter, that left hind leg supports the whole entire horse's body. So we have to always, you know, take care of what's going on that outside hind leg so that he can, you know, really stay in balance for the rest of his stride. So here I'm just going to do a little walk through it to wake him up a little bit because we were standing there talking. And I want to feel like I can, you know, step down, make my inside leg long and kind of guide him around and allow this outside shoulder to come around as well. As I ask him to stay, you know, lifted on this inside abdominal muscles. So here I'll go into the canter. And I want to feel a little bit that I can feel his individual hind legs landing, right? So I want to feel that in my seat. So it's like outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. And I can feel like I can a little bit, I can guide him around by my weight, and my sternum and my belly button are pointing where his sternum and his forehead are going. And I sort of like herd his body around.